Every successful person you admire has two things in common: powerful habits and a winning mindset. But here's the twist. Which comes first? This is a classic chicken and egg dilemma, a circular loop that keeps people stuck. You know you need to change to transform your life, but should you start with habits or begin by rewiring your mindset first? And yet another voice pipes in. You're smart. You've got to change both. What if the real truth is this? Change one, and the other becomes easier to change. Stick around for the next few minutes. You'll finally get the answer. Let me tell you a quick story. In the early 2000s, Olympic swimmer Michael Phelps wasn't just known for his talent. He was known for his routine. Before every race, he would put on his headphones, close his eyes, and visualize the perfect swim, stroke by stroke, turn by turn. Then he would physically go through the same warm-up movements he had done every single day for years. Here's the interesting part. Sometimes the visualization came first, fueling his motivation for the workout. Other days it was the workout that fired up his mindset for the next competition. The two worked together like gears in a machine. His success wasn't just mindset, and it wasn't just habits. It was the synergy between them. Here's the reality. Your mindset shapes the habits you choose. Your habits reinforce the mindset you believe in. Mindset without habits is like having a map without moving your feet. Habits without the right mindset is like walking in circles. If you truly want change, you don't choose one over the other. You use both to fuel each other. Think of them as two sides of the same coin. Change one, and the other starts to shift automatically. The mistake people make? Trying to overhaul both at once without a plan. The secret? Start with small, deliberate actions that influence both your habits and your mindset at the same time. Here's your action plan to make this work starting today. 1. Choose one keystone habit. Pick a single habit that will have the biggest ripple effect. For example, journaling for 10 minutes every morning, exercising for 20 minutes, or reading 5 pages of a personal growth book. 2. Pair it with a mindset cue before you do the habit. Say or write a short affirmation that aligns with who you want to become. Example, I am disciplined. I follow through on my commitments. 3. Track your wins daily. Keep a simple tracker, paper, app, doesn't matter. Every time you check off your habit, you're reinforcing the belief that you are the kind of person who follows through. 4. Review and reflect weekly. Once a week, look at your tracker and ask, how did this habit influence the way I think? And how did my mindset influence whether I did it? This reflection builds the awareness that accelerates progress. Now, here's the part nobody likes to hear. These steps look simple, and they are, but 80% of people still fail to follow through. Why? Because they think they have time. They wait for the perfect Monday, the perfect mood, or worse, a life-changing tragedy to shake them awake. But life doesn't work that way. If you don't start now, your current habits will hardwire even deeper. You'll keep losing time you can't get back, and your dreams will stay dreams while your self-belief slowly erodes. Don't wait for a disaster to force you back on track. You don't need pain to create change. You just need consistency. Every day you wait is a day you could have been stronger, sharper, and closer to your goals. So start today, even if it's small, even if it's messy, because imperfect action beats perfect intentions every single time. And when you do this consistently, you will notice these things. 1. Identity shift. You stop seeing yourself as someone trying to change and start seeing yourself as someone who is disciplined and focused. 2. Momentum effect. One small win makes the next action easier, creating a chain reaction in other areas of your life. 3. Confidence boost. You start to trust yourself because you follow through, even on small promises. 4. Resilience upgrade. Setbacks feel smaller because you've built both the mindset and the habit muscle to bounce back. And the most powerful change? You no longer think of habits and mindset as separate. They become part of the same success engine. So the answer to our question is, you need to change both. One fuels the other. Start this today and watch the shift happen faster than you think. Remember, your future isn't waiting for you. It's being built today, brick by brick, choice by choice, habit by habit. So start now. Your best self is closer than you think. Now, I want to hear from you. Which will you focus on first? A new habit or a new mindset?